We learned a ton of information in this lesson, and I hope it didn't overwhelm you, but you just made it through the longest lesson in the course, so congratulations. Let's see if we can summarize these concepts into 7 main points. Point 1. Pedigrees are useful diagrams that help us organize family relationships and the inheritance patterns of certain traits among these family members. Point 2. We learned about 3 main inheritance patterns in this lesson: autosomal, sex-linked, and maternal. Point 3. The allelic composition of an individual represents their genotype, and together with the environment, this determines an individual's physical makeup or phenotype. Point 4. Recessive alleles are masked by dominant alleles. Point 5. If an individual has one copy of a recessive allele, then they're most likely not going to be affected by that trait. But if an individual has one copy of a dominant allele, then they're most likely going to be affected by that trait. Point 6. Every parent randomly passes on one allele from every pair to each child, and this is called the law of segregation. And point 7. Meiosis is a very specialized cell division that only happens in the germ cells of your body, and this enhances genetic variability during reproduction through the processes of chromosome recombination and independent assortment. Now I want you to prove to me that you actually learned something in this lesson. If you have the time, I want you to construct a pedigree of your family and focus on any trait that you're interested in documenting. And then go to the forums and post a link to your family pedigree and take a look at your classmates and see if you notice any fun inheritance patterns of other traits.